Hello everyone, so today I am going to create a tutorial on Canva, that is an online tool to create different type of graphics. So let me share with you how you can access that online tool. You can type Canva in the search box and then you will get the first link canva.com here. Just click on it. As you can see, Canva's website has been launched here. So first of all, you need to log in by clicking on this login button. Just click on it, and whether you will be logged in automatically using your Google account or whether you will have to create a new account for Canva. So this time I have logged in with my Google account. Once Canva is logged in, you need to select any template to create your design. If you can see, there are many templates in Canva which are already available, and you can just use these templates to create different types of designs. Like you can create resumes, you can create posts, stories, presentations, infographics, intros, books, even anything you can create using Canva. So there are thousands of templates in Canva that are available free of cost. So I'm just going to create a YouTube thumbnail this time. So just write down YouTube thumbnail here. So these are the YouTube thumbnails which are already available in Canva. Some of them are paid. And you can only get them if you have a premium version of Canva, but most of them are available free of cost and you can just use them for your YouTube videos. I'm just going to create a thumbnail for my tech videos, so that should look a little bit technical. So if a template is paid, then you will see this crown icon in the bottom right corner, and if the template is free of cost, then obviously you will see a free icon in the bottom right corner. So I'm just going to select a free template this time. Please click on it. So I have opened this already available template here, and you can just change the text. You can just change and replace this picture in the background. So if I just write down my channel name here, that is Sam's Digital World, so I can just change the font size, the font style from here. I can just adjust the line spacing from here like this, or I can also increase the font size from here. Alright, so like this, I can just adjust the size of this box also. Then I will just type my video name here, how to convert long lists to a paragraph. So I can also add my website name here, that is samansara.com, and then I can just decrease the text box here. I can decrease the size of this box as well. So, and yes, I can even add my logo. So if I want to add my logo, then I need to select it from here. Okay, so I'm just going to select my logo from my computer. Then obviously I can add my logo by just dragging and dropping it onto the design. And yes, I'm just going to change the color of this box as well. Like in Canva, if you see, it selects the photo colors automatically. So it has selected these colors automatically, the teal green color and the purple color from here. So I can select the purple for this box. I'm just going to search for a background. Okay, so I'm just going to select this image from Google. Just download this one. You can upload any image of your choice for the background, or you can select the already available images too. So I have uploaded one image here. I have just downloaded it and drag it to the background, or you can also right click on it and click on replace background. So it will look like this now. Now I'm just going to add a gradient to this page so that my text will be prominent here. Here I will just select the gradient. There are many gradients which are in the pro version of Canva. If I want, I can select anyone that is free. So I will select this one. It takes some time to load the gradient actually. So I just need to change the color of this gradient, lower down its transparency, then increase the size, and yes, you can just increase the transparency a little bit more, like this, and you can just click on send to back. Okay, so now I have created a thumbnail for my YouTube video using Canva, and it is very easy. You can also create different type of graphics using Canva. It is a very easy tool and it has a user-friendly interface. You can just drag and drop things. You can use your own images, backgrounds, elements, and you can also get these elements from here that are already here in the Canva. Now it is done and you can just download it from here. Here you can see there are many options like PNG, JPG, PDF, MP4, GIF. So you can just download these formats from here and just click on the download button and your graphic will be downloaded, and you can use it on any web portal, and it is free to use actually. If you have any queries, then please write down in the comments box below, and please subscribe to our channel to get notification about new tech videos. Thanks a lot. Bye.